When you see Asus ZenBook 14 UM425U, you can tell that this laptop is designed for portability. It is incredibly slim and light and comes back with some neat technology advancement that will improve the user experience. So I had used this laptop for some time, and based on my usage I am going to give my review, a long-term review of Asus ZenBook 14 UM425U. So let's jump into the review and see what are positive and negative things about this laptop. So don't forget to hit that like button, to share this video among your friends and subscribe my channel. Design and build. As I said before, this laptop is extremely thin and light. It measures 14.3mm in thickness and weighs around 1.13 kg in weight. The body is made out of metal and it's an aluminum metal, and in addition to the premium cool touch, you get a rigid structure which doesn't flex too much when twisted. In terms of design, the lid cover reveals the signature circular finish Asus love to put on their notebook. Opening the lid, we can see an anti-glare finish on the display with a very thin bezel around it. Here the HD camera is located above the panel, and it packs a couple of IR sensor for Windows Hello certification. This laptop includes an ergo lift mechanism so that the backside of the base rises when you open the lid, and this is very good for both ergonomics and cooling. Further down below, we can see the keyboard. It sports a side-to-side design with a very small gap between the edge of the furthermost keys and the end of the base. As for the usability, the keyboard has an average travel and quite a good feedback with a medium tactility. Touchpad is extremely big for Windows laptop, and it has a glass cover which provides smooth gliding. Also, the overall tracking experience is decent. The manufacturer has included the number pad functionality here, which lets you use the touchpad as a dedicated numpad. Generally speaking, the input-output here looks a bit limited. On the left side, you will find an HDMI connector and the two USB Type-C 3.2 Generation 2 ports, and there is no Thunderbolt 3. By the way, both of them can be used for charging, and on the other side there is only USB Type-A 3.2 port, the microSD card reader. On the bright side, thanks to the dongles inside the box, you get a furthermore expansion of an audio jack. Display. You get a 14-inch display with a full HD resolution with a 250 nits of peak brightness. The display offers decent color accuracy with a 100% coverage of sRGB. However, the overall display seems to be slightly on the warmer side, though you can adjust the temperature of the display in the settings. Talking about the brightness levels, we had no issues in viewing the non-glossy screen indoors, but outside may be a problem. The viewing angles are fine, but the display doesn't support 1440p resolution for better sharpness, though in all honesty an average user shouldn't have any issues with the lack of high resolution screen. So here I am playing some video, you can judge the quality of the display. You shouldn't have any doubts in the performance arena, as you are getting the latest and the most efficient AMD Ryzen 7 4700U processor. To clarify, this laptop is not meant for gaming in the absence of a discrete GPU. However, it does come with the integrated AMD Radeon Vega 7 graphics, which allows one to play casual games. If you desire to play a few heavy titles, you may try out the lowest settings for an okay experience. All in all, Asus ZenBook 14 is a good laptop for all-day productivity and media consumption. It runs Windows 10 Home out of the box with a number of third-party apps. These include the annoying McAfee LifeSafe that continuously disturbed me for the subscription. Besides this, the company's My Asus app is quite useful and helps quickly control battery and screen settings. As far as audio experience is concerned, the stereo speakers can get loud without distorting if you don't keep the laptop on your lap. So here I am playing a non-copyright music that is from NCM, so you can enjoy and listen to the sound, and you can judge the sound quality. The Asus ZenBook 14 UM425U offers a 67 watt hour battery, and Asus is claiming that users will get up to 22 hours of battery life. I have not checked it thoroughly for the battery life, but it's my assumption that based on my usage, I had used it for while traveling and all. So on heavy usage, it may give you around 9 to 10 hours of battery life, and on light usage, it may give you around 14 to 15 hours of battery life. So the last question is, should you go for this? I say yes. Yes, you can buy this laptop if your budget is somewhere around 70 to 80,000 Indian rupees, or around $800 to $900. For this price, it offers a lot of power and portability. Asus has aimed the product at people who would require it for office or typical personal use. However, if you're looking at a content creation such as video editing, then this laptop is not the right pick because it doesn't pack in GPU. So one more major thing that I felt that is missing in this laptop is the audio jack and the other ports. Keeping aside the drawbacks, this laptop is value for money. This laptop is amazing, offers great specification, powerful processor, great display, best build quality, and it is slim and lightweight. And for the price, this is the best one. Links are given in the description for various countries. You can check the price there and buy it from there. So this is my review, long-term review of the laptop. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.